लाइफ लाइफ बड़ी मुश्किल होती है पहाड़ों पे, हैं?
क्या करें, ठंडी में मार देगा सर।
नहीं मारेगा। So we go down, 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 and then
No,
up.
down, down. Up. Uphill.
Okay.
Yeah. You're destroying people's wishes.
Yeah, so they can make new wishes. भाई साहब, तो ये सीन है, यहाँ पे बस है हमारी ये, और प्लान बन गया आने का। मैंने बोला आ ही जाते हैं, और हमारी आर्मी की गाड़ी जा रही है। दिस इज लाइक इंडियन आर्मी। आई फील सो गुड व्हेनेवर आई सी इंडियन आर्मी बिकॉज माय फादर वाज पार्ट ऑफ इंडियन आर्मी। And this is so beautiful. Look at the weather. आप ऊपर बैठेगा?
नहीं, ठंडी में मार देगा सर।
नहीं मारेगा।
पूरा आदमी मार जाएगा, मुझे आकर जाएगा।
Wait. Everyone gets it. Yeah. तो भाई साहब, ये हमारा सेकंड स्टॉप है। बस इधर खड़ी है। इस जगह का नाम नॉर्थ पुलू है शायद। हाँ, ओनली फॉर कस्टमर टॉयलेट। लेट्स टेक अ वाटर आई गेस। मुझे पानी की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, पानी की बोतल ले लेता हूँ। एक जल लेगा हम। There you go. भैया, एक पानी की बोतल। कितना? 40 ना। 1 2 3 4। थैंक यू भाई। पानी जो है ना डबल रेट पे है, 40 रुपए का है, पर मुझे बोतल चाहिए थी इसलिए मैंने ले लिया, नहीं तो रिफिल करने की जगह रहती है। पानी में पीऊँगा नहीं, वरना पानी पी लो ना तो ठंड में सुसु लगती है, तो ये अपने रास्ते के लिए है। यहाँ पे रिफ्यूलिंग चालू है। तो क्या होता है कि यहाँ पे पेट्रोल पंप्स होते ही नहीं, तो अगला पेट्रोल पंप कहाँ मिलेगा? डिस्किट में। ओह, तो नेक्स्ट पेट्रोल पंप करीबन कितना, 60-70 किलोमीटर होगा ना?
हाँ, इतना
60-70 होगा ना। सो रिफिल करना पड़ता है।
टी मोड़ पे मिलेगा।
टी मोड़ पे। इसमें कितना जर्किन में 20 लीटर आता होगा ना? 20 ना, 20 लीटर का जर्किन। ये पहाड़ों पे कितनी मेहनत होती है भाई। लाइफ बड़ी मुश्किल होती है पहाड़ों पे, हैं?
क्या करें,
आसान नहीं होती।
देता नहीं।
हाँ, सच्चाई है। Like this. Like you can say now. Your face is not coming, but your voice can come. Say, do you have to say something?
No, I have nothing to say.
What do you want to do?
Or do you want to stop for a
I
chai
feel
before
sick.
we go out?
What? He's saying. Yeah. We are going to monastery.
No, this is not the monastery. Yeah, okay. I thought this one you were asking. No. Monastery. There is a monastery.
Yeah.
Maitreya Buddha is sitting down. So take this way.
That's the entrance?
Yeah, there is an entrance. You will see a yellow gate.
Okay.
From there you can go.
So the Buddha statue are we talking about?
Huh?
The monastery.
Yeah.
Okay. So we go down, and
No,
then up.
down. Up. Uphill.
Oh yeah. Up
Yeah.
here. Okay, up here.
Yeah.
I have it here.
Yeah.
This is the little trail. I see it.
Long way.
This is better than the asphalt.
Yeah. Depends.
If you're walking.
Yeah. Sometimes walking is good. Sometimes it's not so great. I wish I can climb like this. Can we?
Can try.
Can be doable, but depending on the up. Oh, it's doable. As up as you get, your heartbeat becomes like tick 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 tick. Whew. Now, thank you. Wow, that is something. Yep, I will.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready? Go.
3, 2, 1, go. You have it.
And you're criticizing my jumps.
I was in the air. I'm sure I have a good jump if you did a burst mode. Do we have it?
Check it. That's the only good one.
No, we have to do it once again. I think.
Okay.
Yeah, criticizing is the easiest thing in the world.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
No, wait. I'm just trying to figure out.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, no. You know what I feel?
The most shitty jump that I've seen in my life.
I felt like I'm going here right there.
Take the glasses then.
Yeah,
Gives you this illusion.
Yeah, probably you're right. Stay, buddy. Okay, this is the final jump, eh? If we get it, we get it. If we don't get it, we don't get it.
Okay.
I don't get it. I don't care.
3, 2, 1.
Let me jump. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah. Go back. Yeah, I think I'm fine with this. Though the body my body has to be little. That's right. No,
Very
not sure.
lousy.
No, for sure, no. You can blackmail me showing me this picture. You know?
Actually, I think I like the one that I like more.
First one, eh?
It is this one.
Yeah.
That's the one that looks more cool.
Yeah.
Then we choose.
We
Wanna
choose.
do a final one,
Yeah.
or are you good with this?
No, I'm good.
Good.
My energy is being wasted. And plus, I don't mind jumping. Can I give you straight jumping from the ground?
Of course.
You go low angle.
same view?
You can go low. Go low. Low, 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 low.
Ah, yeah, right.
See?
Okay.
Technique, eh?
Yeah.
Low jump looks big in this. So you're like that. And if I give you
Right.
this. Ready?
Yeah.
3,
2.
2, 1.
You're destroying people's wishes.
Yeah, so they can make new wishes.
Yeah, this is a good one.
Yeah. This is like more in control. Ah, yeah, perfect. Perfect! So हम लोग इधर से आ रहे हैं ये पहाड़ चढ़ के. Now to go this way. जो सामने दिखेगा ना बहुत ही खतरनाक चीज़ दिखने वाली है भाई. Are you ready? देखो, that is Buddha statue. वेदर थोड़ा सा डाइसी हो रहा है पर देखते हैं कितना डाइसी होता है. वाह, दिस इज़ ब्यूटीफुल.